And lastly, how many of you want your kids, nephews, and nieces to be successful as well as a good human being? Raise your both arms up. You guys,
Everybody would like it.
you guys look arrested, guys. Right. I tell you one thing, sir. Now, everybody wants their kids, nephews, and nieces to be successful, happy, and a good human being in their life. What are we really doing for that? Are we really doing something for that? Or are we just leaving that to a chance? Are we leaving their success to a chance? Are we leaving their happiness to a chance? Are we leaving they become a good human being to a chance? What are we doing for that? I really want you guys to recall this word, chance. So are we really leaving that thing to a chance? If yes or if no, please put in the chat box, please. Cool. Let me start with a quick story. A very, very, very short story. On a big mountain, there laid a nest जहाँ पर 4 big eagle eggs थे, 4 big. One fine day, that mountain was rocked with an earthquake, and one of the eggs laid down the mountain to the valley, and down the valley there was a poultry farm full of chickens. That egg entered into the poultry farm. All of the chickens saw there is an egg. There was an old hen. There was an old hen. Just a moment, just a moment. I'm just facing a bit technical problem. Just a moment, just a moment. Am I audible now? Am I visible? Deepak sir,
Yes, yes.
am I audible?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes, you are
Gaurav sir, you
audible
are
and
visible also,
visible.
and you are audible also.
All right, cool.
Although there is a clarity issue.
Clarity issue.
Sound is not very clear to me, maybe to my on my end, so I did not say anything about it. Because voice is there, but then the sharpness of the voice is not there.
I'm facing a bit network issue, ma'am.
The others can also help me out in this if it is from my end or from everybody is facing the
No,
same
no,
issue.
no, no, no. I am also facing the same thing. I am also feeling the same thing, ma'am.
Thank you everyone for bringing it into the notice.
Let me check out. Just give me a moment. Let me check out some technical things.
My end it was clear. Maybe we can restart then, huh? Gaurav bhai, let's start with the Bhangra again.
All right, sir.
I really don't mind. It is very interesting.
Yeah.
All right. I was there. That egg just entered into the poultry farm, sir. All the chickens around there, they saw one egg, a big, huge egg. One old hen was there. एक बूढ़ा chicken वहां पर था. Because of its intuitiveness, उन्होंने बोला कि let us take care of this egg, क्योंकि कोई है नहीं उसको संभालने वाला. चिकन्स को पता था कि वो एग बहुत जल्दी हैच होने वाला है. And one fine day, the egg hatched, and a very beautiful eagle was born. A very beautiful eagle was born. But the eagle took birth, according to eagle, in a chicken's family. Eagle took birth, according to eagle, in a chicken's family. And all it around was chickens. One fine day, all the chickens were playing, and that eagle saw other eagles flying in the air. And that eagle said to other chickens, you know what? I really want to fly like this. And rest of the chicken said, you are a chicken, behave like that. This kept on repeating. और उस ईगल को लग गया कि हाँ वो चिकन ही है. And that eagle cannot fly or cannot go beyond the comfort zone, out of the comfort zone. One fine day, that eagle died. That eagle died as a chicken without knowing it was an eagle. Now, when you listen to this, I would want you all to replace this eagle with our kids, with our children, with our nephews, with our niece, or with the other young children, other young kids all across the India, all across the world. A lot of times, हमारे बच्चों को लगता है, हमारे किड्स को लगता है कि हम लोग बहुत कुछ कर सकते हैं, बहुत कुछ कर सकते हैं. हम लोग जाना चाहते हैं अपने कंफर्ट जोन से बाहर, आउट ऑफ द कंफर्ट जोन. बट बिकॉज ऑफ द आउटर वॉइसेस, जो बाहर के लोग होते हैं, बिकॉज ऑफ द आउटर वॉइसेस, दे डाइड एज अ चिकन. Every child has an eagle within them if only we give them wings. You know what? India tops the world in teen suicide. India tops the world in teen suicide. Our students commit suicide every single day, every single hour. Our students are not failing. It's we are failing our kids every single day, because the way we talk to our children become their inner voices, and the way we talk about them become their life stories. If you are a parent, you are a teacher, you deal with children in any way, then let them know, wow, 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 you are worthy. I will not define you by your marks, ability, or background. You are original. I value your uniqueness. What makes you you? I will not compare you to others. You are welcome. I will accept you as you are. I will not shame you. I will give you an emotionally safe space to grow. Commit to practicing wow, no matter what, with every child you meet. If you guys agree with me, please put yes in the chat box, please. Let the chat box moving. If you guys agree with me, because this wow is very crucial. Otherwise, हमारे जो बच्चे हैं, जिनके अंदर ईगल है, और चील ईगल तो भैया आसमान बादलों के ऊपर उड़ता है, हम लोग तो पंख ही काट रहे हैं उन बच्चों के. There was a very good gentleman, Frederick Douglass. उन्होंने एक बात कही थी, it is easier to prepare strong kids than to repair broken men. Whatever can be done at an early age, and if it is done in a right manner, it has a long-term impact. And अगर मैं साइंस के पर्सपेक्टिव से बात करूं, according to science, whatever goes into the mind of a child till the age of 16, till the age of 60, I want to recall this. 16 years impact till 60 years. Now let me show a very small demonstration. I don't have a magic to show. I don't have a pigeon, parrot, anything. I just have a very small demonstration in this virtual session. This is a stick. Now connect this with the child, with the environment. Connect it what a child goes through. And imagine if I bend this stick. If I bend this stick, it will never go back to its original position. What I mean to say this, when a child is struggling and something goes wrong into a child's life, it is very, very, very difficult for a child to come back to its original potential. आप हो, मैं हूं, हम सब के अंदर एक बच्चा होता है. Each of us has a child within us. And अगर हम लोग अपनी खुद की लाइफ के बारे में बात करते हैं, हम जब छोटे थे, हम लोगों के पास वो राइट स्किल सेट, वो गाइडेंस शायद हर किसी को नहीं मिली थी एक अर्ली एज में. क्या पता एक अर्ली एज में हमें राइट गाइडेंस मिली होती तो शायद हम कहीं और होते या कुछ और कर रहे होते या कुछ भी कर रहे होते. बट द फैक्ट इज मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द स्टूडेंट they fail, they lose hope, they switch their desires, they become career hijackers, they have to be career drivers, they have to be on the driver's seat, but they become career hijackers. See, I tell you one thing, जो हमारे साथ नहीं हुआ जब हम छोटे थे, ये हमारी ड्यूटी बनती है कि हम अपने स्टूडेंट्स को, अपने बच्चों को, अपने नेफ्यूज को, अपने नीसेस को, अपने किड्स को प्रिपेयर करें फॉर द सेम. एंड हाउ डू वी रियली डू दैट? एंड बिफोर दैट हमें ये समझना पड़ेगा कि वेयर आर वी स्टैंड राइट नाउ. अभी हम कहाँ खड़े हैं? अगर मैं वर्ल्ड हेल्थ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन की बात करूं, WHO की बात करूं, WHO कहता है कि डिप्रेशन इज ऑन द राइज. डिप्रेशन इज ऑन द राइज. अबाउट 264 million people across the world suffer from depression. 264 million people, guys. In India, 1 in 4 teenagers suffer from depression. That is 25%. 25%. Suicides are shooting on the roof. Suicide is known to be the number 2 leading cause of death across the world. Number 2 leading cause. Between the age group of 15 to 29 years. Between the age group of 15 to 29 years. And every single year, 8 lakh people, 800,000 people die because of the suicide. Only in India. Only in India alone. And we are leading. Unfortunately, we are leading for a very wrong reason. Is it good? Please tell me, please. We are leading for a very wrong reason. This is not good. India has the highest suicide rate among the top 10 Southeast Asian countries. We all are mature. We all are professionals. We all are dealing with kids, people, children, students. We have kids at our home. We have nieces. We have nephews. What are we really doing for that? Are we really doing something for that? On the ground level, I'm talking about it. And you know what? All of this begins at an early age. अगर अर्ली एज में चीजों को सही किया जाए, सही डायरेक्शन दी जाए, बच्चों को सही गाइडेंस दी जाए, उनका फाउंडेशन स्ट्रॉन्ग किया जाए, तो चीजें बदल सकती हैं, बहुत ज्यादा बदल सकती हैं. इफ ओनली we start early. You would all agree that, you know, if you look at our own life and you see kids around you, हम सबके आसपास बच्चे होते हैं, घर में होते हैं, रिश्तेदार में होते हैं. When was the last time you wanted to say no, but you ended up saying a yes? When was the last time? When was the last time when you would see a child around you really wanted to do something, but he held himself back? When was the last time you saw a child who really wanted to look at things in a positive way? बट वो फोकस ही नहीं कर पाता हमारा बच्चा आज का पॉजिटिविटी के ऊपर, वो नेगेटिविटी के ऊपर जाता है. When was the last time you see a child fully expressing something? When was the last time? That's where we stand today. We want our kids to be successful. We want our kids to be best, maybe in academics. But academics comes after a certain age, after a certain level. Eventually, they will step into the real world, real life. Are we really preparing real world, real life? Please tell me. Are we really preparing them? अपने दिल पे हाथ रखिए और आप सब मैच्योर हैं, आप प्रोफेशनल हैं. आप बताइए, आप हम खुद बड़े हुए हैं, स्कूलिंग हमने की, कॉलेज हमने किया, सब कुछ किया. आज की डेट में हमारे टाइम पे सिनेरियो कुछ और था. 20 साल पहले, 30 साल पहले कुछ और था. आई एम 36. मेरे टाइम पे माय मदर इज जस्ट 10th पास एंड आई एम प्राउड ऑफ इट, क्योंकि मेरी मदर ने मुझे अपब्रिंगिंग बहुत अच्छी दी. मुझे वो बेसिक चीजें बताई कि बच्चे फाउंडेशन पे ध्यान दें अपने. क्योंकि आई टेल यू वन थिंग, हम सब ने ना मकान बनते हुए देखा होगा या अपना बनवाया होगा कोई घर, मकान, कोठी. सबसे पहले खाली प्लॉट में हम लोग मिट्टी को डिग आउट करते हैं. सबसे पहले मिट्टी निकालते हैं, उसके बाद उसको भरते हैं, फिर उसमें बीम, बेस, पिलर डालते हैं, हॉरिजॉन्टल एंड वर्टिकल. और जितना स्ट्रॉन्ग आपका फाउंडेशन होता है, जितना स्ट्रॉन्ग आपका बीम, बेस, पिलर होता है, उतना ही स्ट्रॉन्ग आप स्ट्रक्चर बना सकते हो, चाहे कितनी भी फ्लोर आप खड़ी कर दो. तो एक बच्चे का अप टू द एज ऑफ 16 ईयर्स उसका फाउंडेशन जितना स्ट्रॉन्ग कर दिया जाएगा, उसकी लाइफ लॉन्ग, बिकॉज 16 ईयर्स सर्व टिल 60 ईयर्स, लाइफ लॉन्ग उसको हेल्प मिलेगी. यू नो, यू आर पेरेंट्स, एनी पेरेंट, आप अपने आप से भी क्वेश्चन कर सकते हैं. इफ यू आर अ पेरेंट, when they want their kids to be good in swimming, they get them a swimming coach. When they want their kids to be good in badminton, they get them a badminton coach. To be good in cricket, they get them a cricket coach. Nowadays, technology का जमाना है. We are living in a new normal world. Technology, 21st century. Coding. Let's talk about coding. A lot of coding is being talked about, right? They want to be a good coding. They get them a good coding coach. Guys, what about decoding? What about the wrong coding जो already उनके mind में गई है? What about the decoding? And if you don't decode at the right time, at the right moment, at the right age, there are repercussions, and they will pay for that. Our small innocent kids will pay for that. I really feel this thing from heart. मैं दिल से बोल रहा हूं और हमेशा ही दिल से बोलता हूं. मुझे कनेक्ट करने में अच्छा इसलिए लगता है, मुझे दिल से बात करने में अच्छा इसलिए लगता है, क्योंकि मैं फैक्ट्स पे बात कर रहा हूं. मैं हमारे आने वाले जनरेशन के लिए बात कर रहा हूं. मैं हमारे इंडिया के फ्यूचर की बात कर रहा हूं, हमारे वर्ल्ड के फ्यूचर की बात कर रहा हूं. जो हमारे बच्चे हैं, हमारे श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी बोलते हैं और दुनिया को ये पता है कि इंडिया बहुत ही यंगेस्ट कंट्री है, बट वी आर लीडिंग फॉर अ वेरी रॉन्ग रीजन. 800,000 suicides every single year. I personally don't want kids to go through what I went through. I personally don't want. In fact, कोई भी नहीं चाहेगा, हम सब में से कोई नहीं चाहेगा कि हमने जो देखा, अप्स एंड डाउन देखे, आज भी देख रहे हैं और आगे भी देखेंगे, बिकॉज इट इज लाइफ, इट इज लाइफ, वो हमारे बच्चे कभी ना देखे. एंड अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम आई सी किड्स इन, मैं स्कूल जाता हूँ, मैं कॉलेज में जाता हूँ, यूनिवर्सिटीज जाता हूँ. When I ask them, how many of you believe that you will be a successful person in your life? Nobody raised their hand. Nobody. When I ask them, how many of you really wants to be successful in their life? In a class of 40 students, everybody raised their hand. Yes, sir, I want to become a successful person in my life. But when I ask them, how many of you are dead sure that you will be successful in your life? Only 7-8 hands, only 20%. You know why? Because something is holding them back. Something comes in between. And if we do not take care of these issues, these minor issues, यही issues बहुत मेजर हो जाएंगे आने वाले टाइम में, बहुत ज्यादा मेजर. बिकॉज यू नो हम लोग किड्स को क्या, वी थॉट टू लुक एट लाइफ लाइक A to Z. अगर हम उनसे पूछेंगे कैन यू प्लीज टेल मी अबाउट A to Z, they will tell me in less than 5 to 7 seconds. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. I'm sure आप लोगों को लग रहा होगा एक मिनी क्लासरूम बन गया, बट नहीं. Life does not work like A to Z. Life works in a reverse way. Life can backfire. Life can demand Z to A from you. Are the kids prepared for that? Z, Y, X, W, V, U, T, S, R, Q, P, O, N, M, L, K, J, I, H, G, F, E, D, C, B, A. I don't think so. Because life can backfire. That's what they really got to be prepared. Because real life does not work in linear way. Real life work in any way. Any way means any way. And I'm sure आप सब लोग मेरी बात से एग्री करोगे. If yes, then please put in the chat box. Put in the chat box. So what is the real solution? Let's talk about solution. What is the solution? I see that life skills, preparation for life is the real solution. I feel that we should be preparing kids for the real exam called life, not just academics. Academics is important, but at a certain age. But we should be preparing our kids for the real exam called life. And how do we be doing that? Life skill is as good as oxygen to body. Life skill is equivalent to success. Equivalent to success, right? Let me give you a big idea about what to say. World Health Organization, WHO talks about it. World Economic Forum talks about it. UNICEF talks about it. But only talking about it does not help. Things need to be implemented on the ground level.
Gaurav, sorry to interrupt you.
Yes, sir.
I think the audio is still a bit getting disturbed. If you could please check once again before we start.
Just give me a moment, sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, bro.
Hello? All right. Let me go. What life skills we are talking about? We are talking about social skills. We are talking about emotional skills. We are talking about problem solving skills. We are talking about emotions management. We are talking about thinking skills. How many of you remember that you were shy during our school days? I remember. I was shy, very introvert. Who came to you? Hey, you are shy. Let me help you. Nobody. But nowadays, things are happening. Isn't it? A bit. हमारे टाइम पे नहीं था. How many of you have been rejected? Married people? Yes. Rejection is another life skill जो बच्चों को पता होना चाहिए how to deal rejection, because freedom from the fear of rejection is another life skill kids need to be taught about. How many of you really think that making decision is important? Very crucial part of our life. How many of you think? On a daily basis, हम लोग decisions लेते हैं, but क्या बचपन में हमें किसी ने सिखाया था कि decision making क्या होती है? Decision making formula is the need of the time, need of the hour, very much important. This is the life skill I'm talking about. Kids need to learn at an early age. How many of you are stressed? Again, married people. Just kidding. Stress can come from different walks of life. Kids need to learn how to manage stress. Kids need to learn. I believe
Voice issue, sir.
Sir. I don't know what went wrong with my laptop. Am I audible?
Yeah.
Now it's clear.
Now it's clear.
Now it's clear. Just give me a moment because I just logged in with my mobile. Just give me a moment. Just give me. Am I audible?
You're audible, crystal clear.
Yes, Gaurav, you are audible.
All right. Go ahead.
And you're going great.
The way you talk, the way you walk. But it is important for our kids that they have been taught about how to handle criticism. It is very, very, very crucial. Saying no. A lot of time हम लोग हाँ बोल देते हैं. A lot of time we say yes, but deep inside our